Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start immediately. Wash and dry the scratched panel so contaminants won't grind into paint. Once dry, run your fingernail over the mark to judge depth. Clear coat only versus paint damage. If it's just clear coat, grab a mild rubbing compound, a polishing compound, a 1/2. You apply a small amount of rubbing compound to a foam pad and work the scratch in overlapping motions. Cover the area slightly larger than the damage. Use low-speed buffing and light pressure so you remove clear coat haze, but not paint. Once the scratch fades, wipe clean, then use a polishing compound to refine gloss and blend edges. This step removes micro-marring and brings back shine. Make sure to inspect under daylight or a bright lamp. You finish by applying a protective wax or paint sealant to lock and shine and protect the repaired clear coat. Follow cure times on the label. If you still see color in the scratch, that indicates paint loss, and you should use touch-up paint matched to your code or consult a pro. If halos or haze appear, repeat the polishing step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.